Gears here at 5:34 this morning to some health news. And Erie County has actually seen a record high number of syphilis cases here in 2022.
As cases continue to rise, health officials are urging sexually active individuals to get tested. Our Megan Selensky has more.
Syphilis cases are on the rise in Erie County.
Syphilis is on the rise kind of across the country. So it's not surprising to hear that syphilis cases are increasing in Erie County.
Syphilis is a sexually transmitted bacterial infection. Many times people transmit this illness to others without even realizing they have it themselves. This is why it's important to be tested regularly for the illness.
It's easily treatable. I think that's the most encouraging thing about syphilis, that if you do test positive, it can easily be treated. And it's one of those diseases that you don't want to have linger. So I know some of us might be uncomfortable thinking about having a sexually transmitted disease, not wanting to go and get diagnosed with one. But this is one of those diseases that needs to be treated early and quickly, because as syphilis lingers in the body, it can actually be really, really serious.
There may have been an uptick in cases, but syphilis is not new. Dr. Dawson says that there's readily available antibiotics for treatment.
We are talking about them in new light because we all got, a really quick public health 101 during the COVID pandemic. And so it's not a reason to panic, but it is a reason to pause and say, hey, what I do and who I do things with could cause me to get sick. And so what are the precautions that I can take up front?
Dr. Dawson also stresses that it's extremely important for pregnant women to get tested. Mothers can pass syphilis on to their newborns, which in turn can be deadly. Megan Selensky, Erie News Now.